I'll be sharing few stocks which are looking good. Please do watch it till the end so that you can get the name of all those stocks. You can keep it in your watch list, you can track it. Even if you want to enter, you can enter as well. So before proceeding further, I would like to share that in the description box I have shared my Telegram link. Yes friends, please do join it. You just need to click it and it will directly take you to the Telegram channel which I maintain, and I keep on posting news, I keep on posting charts, any kind of information which will be helpful for your trading or investment journey. In the recent past, I have shared few stocks as well, like LT. You can directly go there and check the stock on which particular day and at what time I posted, and since then how the stock has performed. Clear? So without wasting further time, let us proceed. Today in this particular video, whatever chart I'll be showing you, it will be all in monthly time frame. Yes, all will be in monthly time frame, no other time frame. Clear? So if you just open DLF at your end as well, you will find the chart looks like this. Yes, and interestingly, it has formed a beautiful rounding base which I have marked with this your blue curve. Yes friend, so you can see it started from 2011 Jan and ended in 21. So it's a perfect decade, 1 decade rounding base, and after that it has given a breakout. It has even retested it as well, and in the current month of July you can see that how it has formed such a big green candle. Though it's not a perfect bullish Marubozu, but it is really bullish. You can see the candle compared to other candles, the wicks are really very small, right? So this breakout from this rounding base has happened after a decade. You know, whenever there is some kind of breakout which happens after a long time frame, the validity of that breakout increases, the potential return for that breakout increases, because after so many years it is giving a breakout. So it's a very good signal, you can say. Possible target, let me just share the possible target as well. So the first target in DLF I would like to share is 360. Yes friend, this particular level, that is 360, and then post 360 I would like to share 400 as the next target. Please do note these levels at your end. I have not marked the levels of targets, or you can say the exit levels. I have not marked it on the chart. You can remember it or you can jot it down. So the first target is 360, second target is 400, and the last or the third target as of now for me would stand around 450. This one. Yes friend, this particular level. So this is all about DLF. Now let's proceed with the second chart. So the next chart that I would like to show is Ashiana. Yes friend, it is Ashiana Housing. So Ashiana Housing also looks really good. You can see this is also monthly chart which I have opened. So from the high of 2015 March, you can see, or you can from 2015 February, not March, February, you can see I have just drawn this downward sloping line, and in the present month it has given a breakout from this 0.5 decade, you can say, because it's 5 years, right? It's half decade. So half decade of 5 years old trend line is also not a matter of joke. It is quite significant, right? It is very important. It has given a breakout from this particular trend line, and you know the target of this particular chart or this price action can be around, the first target can be around 190, then it can be around 200, then it can be around 230, then it can be around 250. So just please mark these levels. I am just repeating it once again. The first target is 190, second one is 200, third one is 230, and the fourth one is 250. And the present price, you can see from the close over here, the present close is around 171. Clear? So now let us proceed to the third chart, that is Mahindra Lifespace. So Mahindra Lifespace also has given a breakout. Let me just zoom out a bit so that you can get the full picture of this chart. You can see I have drawn this particular dotted line from the high, or you can say, yes, from the high of this particular month, December 2007. So from December 2007 till 21, can you guess how many years? It is 13 years, my friend. It is 13 years. So it's more than a decade, correct? So post 13 years, it has given a breakout. So you can automatically understand the importance of this breakout, right? Because I have said earlier that the longer the time frame, the importance, or you can say the significance of that breakout increases exponentially. It is directly proportional. Clear? And even the return potential is also quite high compared to smaller time frame. Mahindra Lifespace can be around 800 to 950. Yes, 800 should be the first target which I am expecting if this trend goes, and 950 should be the next horizon or level where it should head post 800. Clear? Now the next chart that I would like to share is Sobha. Yes, friend, it is Sobha Limited. So let me just, yes, I have already drawn the line for you all. You can see. So Sobha, you can see this breakdown happened in 2008. So in 2008, let me just squeeze out a bit. Yes, we have chart till 2007 here. So from this particular line, from this particular level, it is acting as a polarity, you know, law of polarity. So from this law of polarity, you can see here it was acting as support, and now it is acting as resistance, correct? So this level is exactly 700, and currently the high of this particular month is around 690, or it's to be precise, it is 688.35. you can see it from here, open, high, low, close. Yes, friend. So post 700, so my point is, once 700 gets breached, then the target can be 750, then the target can be 850, and then it should go around 900. Yes, friend. So first target is 750, then 850, then 900 should be the target which I am putting the levels at. Clear? Now the next chart that I would like to share is Oberoi. So this is also a monthly chart in this particular Oberoi. So here you can see I have initiated this upward sloping trend line from the first candle, that was in December 2010, and now we are standing in 2021 July, right? So it's more than a decade. So it's more than a decade. I have started from 2010, correct? Now friend, you see that in the previous instances, whenever it touched, it came down. Whenever it touched, it came down. Whenever it touched, it came down. Now it is touching this particular level with a very high conviction. Why I am saying this? Because you can see the candle size, and before this particular candle there was two continuous green candles. In the previous instances, you can see there was one particular green candle. Here there is no candle before that except this particular green candle, right? And this candle is also looking quite bullish. So the point here stands is, once the high of this particular candle gets breached. So what is the high of this candle? The high is 729. So once 730 gets breached, then the target can be 820. Then the target can be 820, 850. Then the target should be around 930, and then post 930 the target will be 1000. So please jot it down. Once it breaches 730, the targets are first target 820, second target 850, third target 930, and the last target that I am expecting is 1000. Clear? Now let us proceed to the next chart, that is Prestige Estates. Clear? So friend, in Prestige Estates, presently you see this candle, the present candle of this current month of this July, you can see it is touching, or it is on the verge of this particular resistance zone, that is 335 to 350. 335 to 350. Let me just draw another line which will help you to understand the target here. Let me just draw another line from here. So please do watch it minutely, how and from where I am connecting the dots. Let me just change the color of this particular line so that it becomes easier for you to understand. Yes, let me just change it to blue color. So here you see this upward sloping blue colored line is very important. Why? Because whenever it touched that level, it came down. Whenever it touched that level, it came down. Whenever it touched that level, it came down, right? Now, presently, the stock is also at a very significant level. Why? Because this 335 to 350 is very important as per the previous pattern. You can see consecutively for 5 months, this zone acted as a very strong ceiling. And the present price action on the candle is exactly on the verge of that particular zone. So once this zone gets breached, expect price to go towards the high of this particular line and touch around 420, 430. 420 and 430 should be the target once it breaches 350, 356. Because this is the point which one should watch minutely, because in the previous instances also whenever it touched, it came down. Clear? Now the next chart that I would like to share is Phoenix. It's Phoenix Mills. So in Phoenix Mills, this present price action, it is also on the verge of a breakout, you can see. So it is around 900. Yes. So once 900 gets breached in Phoenix Mills, the targets can be around 980 to 1300. Yes, 980 is the high of this particular candle, and post 980, 1300 should be the target which I will bet at. Clear? So please do track Phoenix Mills as well, because this chart also is looking quite good. Now for today, the last chart that I would like to share in this particular video is Indiabull Real Estate. Indiabull Real Estate, the last chart for today. Clear? So in this particular chart again, I have I place or I give lot of importance on trend lines because it works for me and I have been following it. So I have lot of confidence on trend lines because it signifies history, it signifies human behavior. Clear? So here you see this particular level, that is 144, 145 previously acted as resistance here. Here it acted as support, and post this level it acted as resistance till this candle. And again after this particular candle it is acting as resistance. So once 145 gets breached, then it will make a surge. It will surge towards 175, 200 and 230, 240. Yes friend, post 145 the price action should go towards 175, 200 and 230. So I have shown you all these charts in monthly, so don't expect anything overnight. Clear? Because these charts are really looking good for medium term. Please do track it and post your valuable comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to join my Telegram channel. Thanks for watching.